Hi, I'm Carol Ritchie and welcome to Cooking with Carol. Today I'm cooking up something from Australia. It is one of my favorites called Lamingtons. All right, so take your pound cake, dip it into the chocolate ganache, place it on top of the coconut. Since I'm doing this with one hand, it's a really wise idea to switch hands. So I'm going to switch hands here. Yes, I've got chocolate all over my camera, but you know what? It was so worth it. There we go. And that way you don't get chocolate all over the coconut. You want this to be a nice presentation, so it just makes it easier if you have what we call a wet hand and a dry hand. And here they are, the finished Lamingtons. What do you think? Oh, they're so delicious. I remember the first time that I had these was on Kangaroo Island, South Australia. It was such a joy. They stopped in the middle of the bush. We were watching koalas in the trees, and they pulled out all the stops for tea. We had these gorgeous Lamingtons, Anzac biscuits, coffee and tea right there in the bush. So amazing. When I brought these back to Texas and cooked them, I think everybody really enjoyed them, especially my best friend, Becky. So I want to dedicate these to you. I'll never forget when you called these officially Lamingtons. So these are for you, Becky. Cheers to everyone out there. Enjoy your Lamingtons or Lamingtons and have a wonderful, happy, happy day.